In today's video, I will walk you through how to change the message font size on Telegram. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. If you'd like your conversations to be easier to read, Telegram allows you to adjust the message font size to better suit your preference. Whether you want larger text for improved readability or smaller text to fit more messages on the screen, you can change this setting in just a few steps. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it. To begin, open Telegram and go to the Settings section. Once you're in Settings, go to General Settings. This is where you'll find options for customizing the appearance of your chats, including themes, chat backgrounds, and text size. From here, you may see a slider that allows you to adjust the size of the text displayed in your conversations. Drag the slider to the right if you want to make the message text larger. As you move the slider, Telegram will usually provide a live preview, so you can immediately see how the text will appear. If you prefer smaller text, move the slider to the left until you reach the size that's most comfortable for you. Take a moment to find the setting that feels right. Choosing a font size that is easy to read can make long conversations much more comfortable, especially if you spend a lot of time using Telegram throughout the day. Once you've selected your preferred font size, Telegram saves the change automatically. There's no Save button to press, so you can simply exit the settings screen when you're finished. Return to any conversation to see your new message text size in action. The updated font size will be applied across your chats, making your messages appear larger or smaller based on the setting you selected. Adjusting the font size is a simple way to personalize your Telegram experience and improve readability without changing any of your conversations or account settings. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to change the message font size on Telegram, making your chats more comfortable to read based on your personal preference. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.